In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a website from GoDaddy Website Builder. If you're trying to remove your website so that people can no longer see it online, it's important to understand how GoDaddy handles this. In Website Builder, what you're really doing is taking the site offline by unpublishing it. That means the website will no longer be visible to the public, even though it may still exist inside your account for future editing or reuse. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for your profile area. This is where you can access your account-related options and manage the products connected to your GoDaddy account. From there, click on My Products. This section shows the services and tools you currently have, including any websites you've created with GoDaddy Website Builder. Take a moment to find the specific website you want to remove from public view, especially if you have more than one listed in your account. When you locate the correct website, click on it to open its management options. Then choose Edit Website. This will take you into the website editor, where you can make changes to the site and access more detailed settings. Once you're in the editor, go to Settings. This is the section where GoDaddy gives you control over important website functions, including the site's publishing status. Look for the option that says Unpublish and click it. After you do that, GoDaddy will begin taking your website offline. Once the process is complete, your site will no longer be visible to the public. So if your goal is to stop visitors from accessing the site, this is the action you need to take. One important thing to keep in mind is that unpublishing is not the same as permanently deleting the website. In GoDaddy Website Builder, unpublishing is the way to remove the site from public viewing. So if you're expecting a full delete option inside this process, that may not happen here. Instead, the key result is that your site goes offline and can no longer be accessed publicly. As a quick tip, before you unpublish, make sure you're working on the correct website, since taking it offline will immediately affect anyone trying to visit it. If you think you may want to use the site again later, unpublishing is actually helpful because it lets you keep the content without showing it publicly. That's how to remove a website from public view in GoDaddy Website Builder.